So here we have the Web ODM Windows native. The drone photo set keeps failing. Here we have the same photos that loaded into Web ODM, the Docker version. Same set of photos. The job completed successfully. Here we have Metashape, and as you can see at the bottom of the screen, they were successfully loaded. Oops. And the job's completed regarding processing the photos. So there's a problem with the Windows native application when two other applications are able to process the same photos, but this one can't seem to handle it. Thank you for watching.